Found this guy all knocked out on the property in the grass, and he almost got stepped on. Right, drink up, buddy. There you go. There you go. Drink up. Come on, baby. There you go. Perk up. You look like you're getting some energy now.
He's breathing faster. His heart rate's up. He's becoming more alert now. He wasn't alert before, dude. He was just looking at me like...
One more. It's 5 p.m. and this guy is still going strong. Drinking water. Oh, he's moving his head around more. Dude, yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Now my man is standing up. How do you feel today? Just got done giving her a bath, now we're drying her off.
Man, she's gross.
Yeah.
Good morning. You look so much better today. Good morning. Look at you standing there. Are you eating worms? Are you eating worms?
Enjoying that bird seed, dude? Yep. Coming along. All right, feed time. Give him some more bird seed. His tail is getting longer. I want to see if you can fly. If you can fly, you're free. Can you fly? You're not there yet. You're not there yet, buddy. No, you're not there yet. I know you want to get away. Nope, nope. Now someone's gonna kill you and eat you. I get it. You don't like us, I know. I know you can't fly yet. You're almost there.
I just wore her out. We were just exercising. She's literally tired. She's not cool with this anymore, this whole being held thing. So this is her legitimately worn out from all the exercise it just put her through. Because I mean, she's spent a good 4 or 5 days inside of a small cage recovering from one heck of an attack. Look at this.
Oh,
Hey,
oh.
there you go. Go. Dead exercise. Dead exercise.
Get worn out.
That's right, get tired. Oh yeah, look at that tail. Look at that tail. You have a tail again. It's short, but you have a tail.
Ew, that was just...
All right, little one. I can feel you're not breathing so hard now. You caught your breath. Watch this. That was cool. You're feeling it. That was cool. Oh, do it. Do it. Show everybody your new skills. You almost hopped out this box. Show everybody your new skills. Yeah! Oh my God! Oh. All right, so our little birdie is ready to go. You're flying today.
Yep.
Love you, kiddo. All right, here we go. All right, this is it.
It's your freedom.
This is it. You've been here for over a week. This is your day.
Ah, yo.
All right, STILLFIN, let her rip. And she's gone!